Farm or the wild? Farm. Wild. Horse. Where do animals live? Yes. Farm animal. Next. Cow. Yes. Farm animal. Lion. Lion, wild animal. Giraffe, wild animal. Bear, very good, wild animal. Zebra, wild animal. Dog, farm animal. Raccoon, wild animal. Panda, wild animal. Very good. Pig, pig. No. It's yes, farm animal. Sheep, farm animal. Hen, yes, it's farm animal. So friends, hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. So today, bye bye. We'll meet in next video.